Welcome to my channel. Today we will be making chicken pasta which has 51 grams of protein and is around 650 calories. So let's get started. Macros of this recipes are present at the end of the video. Add a teaspoon of olive oil, or you can even use a cooking spray. Add 120 grams of chicken breast topped with salt and some pasta seasoning. Make sure your chicken breast is cooked well and you should not overcook it. Now add the sauce. I am using kissan pasta sauce. I am using 2 tablespoons. This is widely available and is very low in calories. And now add red chilli sauce. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Add pasta seasoning. I am using snapin pasta seasoning. It tastes really good. Add your boiled pasta, cook it using directions given on the box. Mix all of it really well, and then if you like it spicy you can add chili flakes to it. If you like it more saucy you can add more sauce to it. There are no rules. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Do cook it and comment down below how did you like it.